Welcome to the Northwest University, NWU. We will guide you through the entire application process, showing you step by step how to apply to the NWU. Before you start, here are a few tips to help you. Keep all your required documents such as your final grade 11 results and ID documents in PDF or JPEG format on hand to complete your application. Save your progress at the end of every screen. Step 1. Visit the NWU application portal. Visit the How to Apply online webpage at studies.nwu.ac.za/studies/apply and click the Apply Now button to open the application portal. Please read through the information on the Start Your Application screen. It will guide you through the application portal. Step 2. Create a university number and PIN. To start your application, create your university number and PIN. Click on the Create a University Number button and fill in your details. A quick tip: the red stars indicates the mandatory fields. You must complete these fields or you will not be able to continue. At the end of the screen, you need to create a PIN. To create a secure PIN, ensure that your PIN is longer than 8 characters, has a capital letter, a number, and a special character like an exclamation mark. For example, starts here 1! If you are a current student, log in using your existing student number and click on Create PIN to create a secure login PIN. Confirm your PIN and click Next to generate your university number. Your new university number and PIN will be sent via SMS to your cell phone number on the NWU portal as provided by you. Here's a tip: you can retrieve your university number by clicking on Forgotten University Number. Click on PIN Forgotten to retrieve your PIN. Step 3. Start a new application. After you have created your university number and click on Log In, the login screen will open. If you are a returning student, log into the portal using your university number and PIN. Click on Start Application to open the application and admission screen. The academic year you are applying for will be selected automatically. Just fill in the year you completed. Under the drop-down menu of Qualification Type, select the qualification you are applying for, undergraduate or postgraduate, and choose the presentation method you prefer. The presentation method refers to contact for on-campus classes and distance learning. A quick tip: did you know NSFAS also provides funding for studies through distance learning? Choose the highest academic level you have achieved. For undergraduate studies, these are National Senior Certificate (NSC) through Umalusi, IEB, ISC, or Sakai. The answer about your previous academic record will be automatically selected, but click on the drop-down menu to change it. Indicate how you will pay for your university studies from 3 options: other bursaries, NSFAS, or self-paying. The last question on the screen is where you indicate your interest in applying for residence placement. You can choose the accommodation you prefer from 3 options: NWU residence, other, and private accommodation. Remember to save at the end of every screen and click Next. School information. On the school information screen, your grade will be selected automatically. Complete each field required carefully. Select your provincial education department, for example, the province where your school is registered. Select your school and click on the Add School Subject button. Please note that the subjects are listed alphabetically and always start with your home language. Once all your subjects have been added, enter your marks in percentages exactly as they appear on your grade 11 or 12 report. Double check that every subject and mark is correct before moving to the next step. Step 5. Study choice. Now it's time to choose the qualification you want to apply for. Remember, you can select 2 study choices. Before making your selection, check that you meet the admission requirements for each qualification. Select your preferred campus. NWU has campuses in Mahikeng, Potchefstroom, and Vanderbijl Park. Please note that some programs are only offered on specific campuses, so make sure your chosen program is available on the campus you select. Select your program. Under Qualification Program Level, choose the program you want to study from the list. Choose the method of delivery if applicable. Some programs are available through distance learning. If your chosen program offers this option, you will be able to select distance learning under Method of Delivery. If distance learning is not available for that program, full-time contact will be selected automatically. Complete the curriculum section. Under Curriculum, you may need to choose a specific option, such as your main subjects. If no additional option is required, this section will be completed automatically. Add a second study choice. Your second choice is optional, but is recommended if you would like to be considered for another program. Review your choices. When you are sure that your campus, program, method of delivery and curriculum details are correct, save and click Next. Step 6. Biographical Information. On the Biographical Information screen, indicate your nationality by selecting your country. Fill in your personal details like name, surname, etc. International students are required to enter their passport information at the end of the page. Please note that if you are a person living with disabilities, indicate it on the screen to ensure that you receive the necessary support. Once you have filled in all your biographical information, save and click Next. Step 7. Contact Information. At the top of the Contact Information screen, please grant the NWU permission to use your personal information in the application process. You can change your permission at any time. Complete all the mandatory fields required. Save and click Next. Step 8. Post-School Information. On the Post-School Information screen, answer the 3 questions. If you have just completed Matric and have not studied anywhere else, select Registration A. Save and then click Next. Step 9. Electronic Documents. On the Electronic Documents screen, you will find a table listing all the supporting documents required for your application. It is crucial to upload your supporting documents. Incomplete or outstanding documents can delay your application status. Before uploading them, please ensure that your documents are clear, readable, and saved in an acceptable digital format like PDF or JPEG. Uploading your document is a 2-step process. Click on the blue upward arrow and a pop-up screen will open. Click on Choose File and locate and select the digital file from your device. Click on Upload to submit the document to the portal. Once you have uploaded all your documents, save and click Next to open the Submit Application to NWU screen. Step 10. Pay your administration fee and submit your application. On the Submit Application to NWU screen, review all your application information. Once you are satisfied that the information is correct, scroll down and click on the Pay Study Application Fee button. The payment gateway will open. Enter your email address, read the NWU refund policy, confirm that you have read it, and click on Pay. Enter your card details and complete the payment. When your payment has been processed successfully, click on Refresh. You will be redirected back to the payment gateway with a successful status and click on the Actions icon to download your proof of payment. Once your payment has been successfully completed, your receipt number will be available at the top of the Submit Application to NWU screen, and your application will be submitted automatically. A confirmation email will be sent to your registered email address. For the latest information, visit our NWU website and regularly check your email address. Good luck, and remember, it all starts here at Northwest University.